If you are trying to figure out who gets primary custody in a divorce, you may experience gender bias during your trial. Here's what you need to know about gender bias and child custody in Texas. The history. Back in the day, many courts strive to give equal parental rights to both parents in order to keep the family unit together. However, as time went on, more and more courts began to favor the mother in court due to gender bias. Mothers were considered to be better caretakers and were therefore given more rights. A law known as the Tender Years Doctrine existed to benefit the mother in court. This law stated that young children had a natural attachment to their mother and that child and mother should not be apart. While this law no longer exists, there are still incidences of gender bias and child custody today. Child custody arrangements. In order to get the best possible outcome from your court case, you should pay close attention to factors your judge will be considering. These include but are not limited to the following: income of both parents, overall ability to care for the child or children, parental involvement, specific needs of the child, stable living arrangements, and finances. While money is certainly considered highly when deciding primary care, the more important aspect is how well you can care for your child. Preventing gender bias. First, make sure that you have a time-sharing schedule put in place before your appointed court meeting. Should you leave without an agreed-upon schedule put in place, there is no guarantee that you will be allowed time with your kids when you return. That means you will not be able to bond with your children in the same way that the mother would. In a court of law, this can also work against you. It is easy for a judge to see this as the mother doing all of the child care work while you are doing other things unrelated to the children. At this point, even setting a time-sharing schedule will be next to impossible. The mother may insist upon being the sole caretaker of the children. Even if the two of you are just struggling, you should set up a time-sharing schedule. That way, if you do decide to separate, you will still have regular access to your children. It's also crucial that you do not leave the home for extended periods of time without reason. Family law attorney. You should always consider hiring a family law attorney to help with your child custody in Texas. No matter how well prepared you believe you are, a lawyer can help your case tremendously. To start, a family lawyer can help you gather evidence supporting your abilities to care for your children. Naturally, you should gather any evidence you already have, such as prior restraining orders or police records that your lawyer should be aware of. That way, they can help you document and record future evidence. A family lawyer in Texas can also help you with other forms of documentation. From gathering information about your child's medical history to information about your child's education, this information can help you determine what child support you may need to pay or how much money you need to make to support your child on your own. And family law attorneys can help answer any questions you may have about the entire child custody arrangement process to put your own mind at ease. Are you struggling through a difficult divorce and don't know where to turn? We're here to help. Contact us with any questions or concerns you have about our family lawyers and check out our blog for more helpful information. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.